Hello, good day, my people. You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Femi Alatiba of Sweet Mother Entertainment. Today, we are going to be translating some words which are very related to automobiles and roads. They are related to motor and roads, autos. Now, first, I'll be translating motor. I hope you will enjoy. I'll be translating it to Yoruba language. Number one, motto in Yoruba language is oko. Motto, oko. Now, brake. Brake is ijanu oko. Ijanu oko. Ijanu oko. Now, steering is itoko. Itoko. Some people call it atoko. Atoko or itoko. Also, we have Gia. The translation is Gia. The translation is Gia because it's a borrowed word. Also, we have express road. Express road. The translation in Yoruba is TÍTİ MÁROSE. TÍTİ MÁROSE. Another translation is filling station. Filling station. In Yoruba, it's called Ilé Epo. Ilé Epo. Ilé Epo. Another translation is petrol. Petrol. Petrol. The Yoruba translation is bẹtiró. Epo bẹtiró. Epo bẹtiró. Another translation I'll be giving you is mechanic. I'll be translating it to atọ́kọ̀ṣe. Atọ́kọ̀ṣe. Atọ́kọ̀ṣe. That means someone that repairs cars. Another one is driver. Driver is AWAKO in Yoruba language. AWAKO, meaning the one who drives. Another one is passenger. The last one is passenger. Èrò ọkọ̀. Passenger. Èrò ọkọ̀. Èrò ọkọ̀. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your question and your comments. I'll be very willing to answer all. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe.